Hello, everyone, and welcome back. So, this is a continuation of a series of research title presentations that you can use as a guide in forming your own research titles. So, this time, gumawa po tayo ng para doon sa tinatawag nating BPED or Bachelor of Physical Education. So, ulitin po natin, if you want to explore more research titles that I have created as a guide para makagawa kayo ng sarili. All you need to do is just to change the variables. You may go to my YouTube channel at Doked Padama. Ito po yung YouTube channel natin at Doked Padama. And then you will be able to search for other areas aside from BPED or Bachelor of Physical Education. So again, here I have 20 proposed research titles that you can use for this particular course ng BPED or Bachelor of Physical Education. So you can go through each one of them and you can try to identify and then choose kung alin yung mas appropriate para doon sa need ng inyong research. And then again, let me reiterate and emphasize that when you have finally chosen which one of these titles are relevant to what you want to do, kung ano yung gusto ninyong gawin, ito yung pinakamalapit, my advice is to change the variables in the titles para maging personalized and customized according to the need of your respective programs. Thank you very much, everyone. Don't forget, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Doc Ed Padama. Stay safe, everyone. God bless, and I will see you on our next video. Bye!